Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick repair on the Hummer. The door handle has been busted off somewhere along the way, so this is actually a pretty easy fix. It's already kind of half missing, so to get this piece off here, if it was a whole handle, you want to be able to slide it over. So we're just going to punch this over, and there, the piece comes out we don't need. It does have a gasket, so we're just going to put that back on there. Yeah, whichever way it goes. Anyway, that's good enough. Okay. This side will come off, but there's a plug on the side of the door. So I want to pop off this plug, get this out of the way here. Oh my god, this is going to be edited. There, piece of cake. Now inside there's a little bolt. And there's just the one. So that guy has to come out. Now, if you're worried about dropping it into the door at all, which is actually kind of a concern, if you have a receipt or something in your pocket, you can always just sort of curl it up, roll it in there, get something around the socket, get it around the bolt. Oh my god, I'm going to drop it in there, aren't I? Okay, get it in there. This thing. Ugh. Oh yeah, got it out. Okay, nice. Now with that part out, now we can get off this part that it was attached to. So now that's off. Got a new handle. So with our new handle, what you want to do first, you want to put it into the door. Oh, this has a spacer on it already. So you want to put it in there to the right, slide it in, and then just push it to the left. Okay. For the final piece, is the end cap. So you want to pull out on the handle, slide the cap in there, and then close the handle. Where the hell did I put the screw? Oh, there it is. Okay, so then you've got the last piece to go back in the puzzle. Oh crap, it went, oh Jesus Christ. Why is there a nut on there? I don't think that's supposed to be there. Someone's been messing around with this thing. Okay. Can I finger tighten it? I wonder if this will work. Don't drop it in the door. Don't drop it in the door. Oh my god. Okay, now if you've done it right, now there's a handle on the door, and it actually works. Although, what's that sound? Something needs to be greased. Alright, well that's it for today. Join us again in the next video.